Hi, it's James from ElectricBlu Contractors, your local electrician in Wakefield. We're back down at the Denhale Active Recreation Centre for Disability Sport Yorkshire, who this time have asked us to brighten up the car park a little bit. As the cold winter nights that are a bit darker are coming in, then the users of the car park for the centre are finding it difficult to see what they're doing and get access to the building because the lighting around here is quite poor on an evening. So we're going to put in a lamp post with a couple of floodlights on top of it, lighting up the car park and the entranceway here. So we'll bring you some more updates throughout the day and see how we get on. So we've got the lamp post up down here at Denhale Active Recreation Centre with the floodlights on, and as you can see the car park is now bathed in light. On these dark winter nights this enables the users of the centre to get in and out of the cars and feel much safer, and it's also more convenient to access the entrance as it's now lit up much better. So if you've got a car park which you need lighting up, make sure to give James a call from ElectricBlu Contractors for a personal response.